Here Gian is doing something interesting with Marmorino KS. He already has a base coat of Marmorino KS fairly smooth and white. He's applying another coat of Marmorino KS on top in a color 060607 NCA, nice taupey color, and he makes it quite smooth. Now this finish requires a third coat on top of this coat, and it should be applied while the second coat is still wet. So you can do it by yourself in 3x3 areas or 4x4 sections, or consider using a helper who can apply the last coat while you're working on the second, or reverse roles if you like. This allows both coats to dry together. Remember that the underlying coat that Gian is going on top of now is still damp. This is nice that the material still has a little moisture within it, so you can compress it and polish it even a lot more. He's allowed it to dry. It comes back, gives it a little bit more polish. Very nice finish.